10-step skincare routine I swear by. No. I mean, that would truly be impressive if I did do 10 steps, but I do about 2 to 3 because who has the time? I don't. So here's my 2 to 3 step routine. My real one. Here are my 3 morning products and my 3 night product. Yes, that's all. I'm lazy. I like to work smarter, not harder, especially when it comes to skincare. I struggle with so many different issues, from redness to fine lines and wrinkles. But why use a different product for each problem when Geology can curate a simple 2 to 3 step routine by only taking a 30-second quiz online? Start every morning with the face wash, which has salicylic acid, a gentle exfoliant to dissolve dead skin cells and control the oil. I then move on to the tone control cream, which has azelaic acid and niacinamide, which has really been helping calm my redness. And of course, don't forget your sunscreen. And that's all for the morning. Now on tonight, I start with the same face wash, then move on to this amazing eye cream. I love that it has caffeine and kojic acid for puffiness and dark circles. And lastly, I move on to the night cream, which has retinol, which is amazing for fine lines and wrinkles, and even acne too. And there you have it, my 2 to 3 step routine. So get your simple routine by taking the quiz at the link in the bio.